TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, coming into the Christmas holiday week. Hope everyone had a great weekend out there. If you haven't done that Christmas shopping, you got like 4 days, folks. December 21st, closed for Friday, half day on Thursday in the markets, and we start off with a bang. Right now, you got the S&Ps minus 58 points, and folks, we're a solid 50 points off of the lows. You were off 108 points, give or take, in the S&Ps at one point down to 35.96. We're currently trading at 36.47, off about 1.6% right now. The NQ futures off 1.04% at 12,579. You get the Dow off 432 points at 29,684, and the Russell off 2.3% right now at 1921. Over in Europe, DAX is down more than 3% right now, folks. The FTSE is off 2.6%. The CAC Crawl also off just more than 3% right now. Crude getting hit in a big way. We're down about $2 or 4% at 47.25. You made it down $1 low to about 46.25 at about 5 a.m. this morning. Gold contract at 18.87, down $1 right now. You got silver up 19 cents at 26.23, and notes and bonds a little bit of higher price and lower yield. The 10-year up 10 ticks at 138.02. You're looking at a 10-year yield right now of 0.906%. We got to jump over to the VIX this morning. How about a spike in this volatility index? Watch out, folks. There's a lot of fear coming into this market pretty quickly as people just seem a little nervous anytime we get that acceleration in prices. You don't often go from 22 to almost 32 overnight. That's what we just did in the VIX. We're sitting at 28.61. And what's it all got to do with? We got new restrictions coming out of the UK. They're pretty harsh, dealing with a new strain of COVID. And looks to be a little bit more contagious. And I say a little, it looks to be pretty harsh. Maybe potentially 70%. I saw one number out there. You have the UK Health Secretary warning the new strain is out of control. His quote suggested parts of England, and I talked about this on my show, and this is the part to hang your hat on, okay? Suggested parts of England will be stuck in the new highest tier of restrictions until a vaccine is rolled out. The market, looking at the probability that we have a strain of the virus spreading even faster than the one we had originally. Now, experts expect the vaccine we have, it's going to work against these strains. But man, if we start seeing these lockdowns coming quicker than we might have anticipated, and you're looking at an S&P, folks, just so we know, we were at all-time highs of 37.24 from opening the year at 32.36. You're talking about almost 500 points positive for the year 2020, those S&P. It should be an interesting open, folks. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up live next. Favorite seat. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Stay tuned.